Hello, I'm Graham from English Riviera Walking Tours and welcome to Babbacombe Bay. This is part of the English Riviera and one of the most beautiful bays, in my opinion, down here, and has a lovely cliff railway which we incorporate into our walk here, which is takes about 2 hours, about 5,000 steps, and it's a circular walk which brings us back here to the Carey Arms. So I've made it to the top here to Babbacombe Downs. We're 300 feet up in the air. Thanks to the cliff railway, managed to make it rather than having to take the strenuous walk up here. But the views are magnificent from 300 feet up in the air. We've got this wonderful panoramic view across the seafood coast. And just looking out to Portland now, 40 miles away, it's well worth the view. Just one of the best views in the English Riviera. After an invigorating 2-hour walk around the beautiful Babbacombe, there's no better way to reward yourself than coming back to the Carey Arms and ordering a pint of their famous Sammy Ale. Cheers!